Yeah, very good morning, dear students. Dear students, today we are going to discussing about problems. Get ready, take the pen, book, tab book. We are discussing problems. So concept is completed. Ready, guys? So today we are discussing problems based on the functions. See the first question. Who will say the answer? See. See, this one, it was a previous question, this one. Last time discussed, right, is that 4 into integral part of x is equal to x plus integral part of 4 times fractional part of x is equal to x plus integral part of x. Since x is equal to, how to write? So replace that one in the place of x. Simplify, what is the result is coming? So 3 times fractional part of x is equal to 2 times, already discussed this question. See anyone? Okay. So this is the result is coming. So what are the integers are possible here? Since what is the reason? 0 less than or equal to fractional part of x less than 1, that is the range. So 0 to 3 by 2, what are the integers are possible here? Like that possible, see? That's the meaning. Integral part of x is 0 or 1. Then fractional part of x is how much coming? So using this case, find out what is the value of this one, case 1, case 2. We're getting this case. Once revise previous notes also, all of you. Okay, let's see. Question number 11. The domain of f of x is equal to root over sine inverse log x to the base 2 is what? So root over g of x is defined if g of x is always greater than or equal to 0. So same thing here also we're writing. So what is the condition here? Sine inverse of log x greater than or equal to 0 means since what sine inverse x is always lies between -1 to 1, we are using this property. Correct? Means write on sine inverse x is defined if -1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1. That's the meaning. So here x is also positive. Conditions of a logarithm is defined, x should be positive. Okay. What is the case? Anyone? So x greater than 0 means what about log x to the base 2 greater than or equal to 0? One case. Another. Okay, dear students. See. So sine inverse x is defined if -1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1. So in this case, directly you can write, this one is also not required. -1 means what here not possible, only 0 to. You know, in this case, directly you can write this one. So remove logarithm on both sides. What is the result is coming? 2 power 0 and 2 power 1. That is the result. X belongs to closed interval 1 comma 2. Why? Because here see I am writing sin inverse of log x greater than or equal to 0 means what here? Minus 1 not possible now. 0 to 1, that is the meaning. Like this directly you can write 0 to 1 only directly. See, anyone. The function f maps R2 are defined by f of x is equal to 4 power x plus 4 power mod x. That is the question. How to solve this one? Anyone? Anyone? Okay, I will explain. See, which option is correct? This one they are asking. Yes, students. See, first of all, f of x is how much? 4 power x plus 4 power mod x. What is the mod x meaning here? When x greater than, if x greater than or equal to 0, minus x if x is negative. Clear? So how to define this one? F of x is equal to 4 power x plus 4 power mod x is equal to x greater than or equal to 0 means what? Repeated 2 times 4 power x. X negative means what? Anyone? Like that. Fine. Okay. 2 into 4. See, if I'm drawing the picture, for example, like that. See, generally 4 power x plus 4 power minus x. What is the minimum value? 2 is coming. Are you observing? Yeah. 4 power x, you like idea is there. 4 power x plus 4 power minus x is always greater than or equal to 0. Why? Because am is greater than or equal to gm. Okay, fine. Draw the picture. 2 into 4 power x positive. That means what here? Like that is coming. Fine. That is the graph of 2 times 4 power xy is equal to y because x is positive is given in the first quadrant. What about remaining here? 4 power x plus 4 power minus x is equal to greater than or equal to means what here? That means this is should be minimum is 2. How is that? It's a like the graph is coming. Just right line like that is coming. Check it. Y is equal to 4 power x plus 4 power minus x. What the graph is coming? That is the case. Okay. Now draw a line parallel to x-axis. How many times intersecting? A, B. Therefore, F is many 1. Clear? And what about and many 1 it is on? It is into function. Why? It is into function. Why anyone? Because for x is positive or negative, output is always getting positive. See, in both cases, 2 into 4 power x always positive. See the graph completely graph above the x-axis. Below the x-axis is not possible. But what the codomain is given here? What is the codomain? Set of real numbers. So output is negative numbers not possible. Check it. F of minus 1, f of minus 1 by 2, anything, output is always positive. Therefore, f is what here? Many one and into function. So option is 2. Yeah, it can be curve. It's a curve. Okay, no, it's a curve. Like it's forming. Of course, Titan is also curve here. Like each and everything is curve. Shall I proceed? Once again, I'm repeating 4 power x plus 4 mod x. See the definition. This is the definition. See, x positive means for x is coming, x less than 0 means minus x. X positive means for your 4 power x plus 4 power x. This one you should understand. What is the case? 4 power x plus 4 power x. That is the meaning. X positive means this is positive. Both are repeat means that's why 2 times I wrote here, not 2.2 into 4 power x. X negative means 4 power x plus what x becomes minus x. That's why I wrote the definitions. And here applying AM GM greater than or equal to means what here? This is the graph. Minimum is 2, that is the meaning. That means what here? The graph is above, strictly above the x axis. Curve is coming like that, V shape. Welcome, Shravani. Question number this one. Next question. See, read the question from A to B, not B to A. Clear? That question is very important. Now, number of functions from A to B. Number of functions means what is the formula? N of B power N of A. Remembering this one? So 3 power 3. Answer is 27. Number of one functions. Number of one functions means what are the conditions apply? N of A must be less than or equal to N of B. Luckily satisfied conditions. And what is the formula anyone? Number of one functions anyone? Formula N of P, P, N of A. So that is 3P3. What the answer is coming? 3P3 means how much? 3 factorial, that is 6. So option is only C is the correct. It's not a multiple choice question. C is the correct answer. Right on. Question number 4. Read the question. F maps N2 Z is given. Clear, dear student? Is defined by f of n is equal to n by 2 if n is even. If n is odd, minus of n minus 1 by 2. What to do here? How to solve? Anyone? But place is not there. Yeah, just a minute, dear students. Okay. I will write a solution. So let f inverse of x is equal to y. What they are asking, say f inverse of minus 100. Dear students, see question. F inverse of x is equal to y. Then f inverse of minus 100 is equal to x. Suppose. Just a minute. It's also not required directly. Let f inverse of minus 100 into x. Then what is the f of x? Anyone? Minus 100. Output is negative means what here? Anyone? Yeah, Praneeth, correct. F of x is equal to minus 100. Then which part you have to take? F of x means what? Either first case or second case. First case is not possible for any value of n. Output is negative is there. That means this is minus of x minus 1 by 2 is equal to minus 100. So x minus 1 by 2 is equal to 100. X is what? 201. So option is C. Right on. So this concept is based on inverse of the function. F of x is equal to minus 100 is coming. Minus means in which case n must be odd only, then only minus is coming. See carefully. Function is defined like that, two cases. Sometimes they're asking why f of 100. What is the value of f of 100? F of 11. F of 11. F of 100 is how much? 100 by 2. So answer is 50. F of 11 is how much? Minus of 11 minus 1 by 2. Minus 5. So observation is very important, dear students. Yes. F of 11. I'm not asking F inverse of 11. F of 11. F of means that number is even or odd, you should verify. Yes. Okay. Then what is the value of, tell me this one, F inverse of minus 13. Anyone? Confirm F inverse of minus 13 is how much? Okay. So practice these questions. What is the answer? Anyone? What is the domain of the function? 1 by root over fraction part of sin x plus fraction part of sin of pi plus x, where denotes fraction part of x. Anyone? Jain, Ramlakshmi? Anyone? Okay, right on. First, read the question. 1 by root or f of x is given. Observing all of you, 1 by root or f of x. So f of x should be greater than or equal to 0. It's strictly greater than 0. Okay, let me see how to solve. Dear student, see. Sine of 180 plus theta. How much? Minus sin x. Am I correct? Now, what the condition is coming? Fraction part of sin x plus fraction part of sine of pi plus x. Strictly greater than 0. Am I correct? Okay. Is equal what here? How to what the I'm writing is dear student, see. What the output is coming here? 0 or 1. Two cases are possible. What is that? Sin x is an integer. Sin x is not an integer. Anyone observing? So, and one more thing here, what is the condition? Strictly greater than 0 means what here? Sin x plus minus sin x must be not equal to 0. So, remove this part, not equal to 0. First of all, means what here? Sin x must be not equal to integer. Not equal to 0 means what here? Not strictly greater than 0 means what here? Not equal to 0. For what values of x, it is coming 0 integer. So, remove that part. Integer means what here? Sin x cannot be. What is the output? 1 minus 1 0. That means what here? X cannot be 0 or n pi by 2. N belongs to what? Z. Pi by 2. Sin 90, sin minus 90. These values are what here? Are possible. So for remaining cases, possible. So therefore, set of any real number minus, remove that part. What is the part? N pi by 2. Such that n belongs to Z. So in this case, n means what here? 0 also possible. Remove that part. So option is D. Right on. See, the domain of f of x is equal to 3 by 4 minus x square plus logarithm of x cube minus x. Any one. How to solve? Here, two functions are there. One is g of x, one is h of x, like that only. Shall I explain? Is defined when 4 minus x square must be not equal to 0. X cube minus x should be greater than 0. Okay. So means what here x must be not equal to minus 2 comma 2. Remove that part. What about this case? X cube minus x factorism, x square minus 1. That means x minus 1, x plus 1. Wavy method. 1 is minus 1, 1 is 0, 1 is 1. More than 1 is positive, negative, positive, negative. Greater than 0 means this is the region we should take. So x belongs to what? Minus 1 to 0 union 1 to infinity, and x must be not equal to minus 2 comma 2. Fine. Then what is the common region? Therefore, what is the domain? Anyone? What is the domain? Minus 1 comma 0 union. Next part here should remove. That's all. That is the domain. Otherwise, we can write minus 1 comma 0 union 1 comma 2 union 2 to infinity. Remove 2. That is the answer. Dear students, if they're giving options, you can verify options also. I think some people may be confusing. What is the R intersection of open interval? No, sir. Sometimes R is a set of real numbers intersection open interval like 1 comma 2. What is the common region? 1 comma 2 only. R union minus 1 comma 3. What is the answer? R only. First one is intersection, second one is union. So these type of things are required. Why? 1 comma 2 is subset of R. First one is intersection, second one is union. Okay, thank you, Pranit. This one, previous question. AEEE 2004. This one already discussed, I think so. It's the R union, that is. Okay. Sine inverse of x minus 3 by 9 minus x square. What is the meaning? We know that sine inverse x is defined where? Anyone? Minus 1 less than or equal to x. Like that here, minus 1 less than or equal to x minus 3 less than. And 9 minus x square strictly greater than 0. That is the case defined. So adding 3, 2 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 4. 1. Next, what about this one here? X square less than 9 means what here? X belongs to open interval minus 3 comma 3. From 1 and 2, what is the common region? See carefully. From 1 and 2. Minus 3, 2, 3, 4. Excluded, included, included, excluded. What is the common region? Like that. Like that. So this is the common region. So 2 to, now option is there? Yes, option 4. Right on. What is the doubt, Pranit? Right down. Okay, no problem. If f is a function defined by sigma k running from 1 to n, like that is given. Right now. Is it visible or not? Is that right? Sigma k running from 1 to n, f of a plus k is equal to 16 into 2 power n minus 2 power n minus 1, and f of x plus y is equal to f of x into f of y. This is the question. F of 1 is given. Okay. How to solve? Okay. Already done this one? Okay, leave it. What is the value is this one? Already. So some students are saying already completed. Okay. What the answer is coming generally? F of x is equal to what? 2 means 2 power x is coming format. Yes. Yes, completed. So f of a plus k means what here? F of a into f of k definition. That is 2 power a into 2 power k. Yeah. Accepting all of it, this one completed? Yes. Okay, fine. So a is how much? Okay, right now, no problem. So sigma f of a plus k is equal to 2 power a into 2 power k running from 1 to n. 2 power a into sigma 2k means what? 2 power 1, 2 square, and so on, 2 power k. Implies 16 2 power n minus 1. These are in GP. What the answer is coming? 2 power a into 2 into 2 power n minus 1 by 2 minus 1. Both are cancelled. What is the result is coming? See? Hmm. 2 power a into 2 is equal to 16. 2 power a is equal to 8. Answer is a, 3. What is the answer, anyone? Okay, right on. It was the previous question. Answer is coming minus f of x. Right out, given. Okay, no? F of 0 is given. So what I'm doing here, put x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. What the result is coming? Tell me anyone. F of 0, f of 0, f of a, f of a. So f of a is how much coming? 0 is coming from this case. See? Both are cancel. F of 0 is how much? 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. So f of a whole square is equal to 0 means f of a is 0. Fine. How to solve this one? F of a is coming 0. So they are asking f of 2m minus x. 2m minus x means here, in this case, replace x by x minus something is coming. Let me see. X minus a. Hmm, Replace x by a, x minus a. Let me see. What is required? For the answer, x minus plus a is coming. No use. A minus x. So we need 2m minus x. What to do here? Replace y by, or replace y by a, x is equal to 0. Oh yeah, no game. Okay. Otherwise, okay, dear students, what I'm doing here, f of 2m minus x is there. How to write f of a plus a minus x? F of, how to write here, this one, a minus of x minus a. So this is x, this is the y. You should understand. Now use this property. So f of a into f of a, x minus a minus a minus x means what here, a minus x. How to write that is a minus of, how much coming? A minus a into f of a plus x minus a, because this is the y, this is the x. So f of a is how much? 0. F of 0 is how much? 1. That means minus f of x is coming. So option is D. Since f of 0 is 1, f of a is 0. Use the properties. I think I am using this property. Here x means a, y means x minus a. Put this value. So otherwise, hint, replace x by a and y by x minus a directly in this equation. You can get right now. What are we doing here? 2a minus x means split into two terms. That is a minus of x minus a. Means replace x by a and replace y by x minus a. Then only you are getting LHS, RHS. How to solve this one? Get ready? It's a very, very important model. This one, dear students. F maps n to z. Defined by f of n is equal to n minus 1 by 2 when n is odd. When n is even minus n by 2, then what you can see this function. That's the meaning. For the case C. Dear students, here n is odd. That means what it takes some 2x plus 1 format. Okay. So f of x1 is equal to f of x2. What is the result? 2x1 plus 1 is equal to 2x2 plus 1. X1 is equal to x2. So verify. If n is even, take 2x is equal. n is even means what here? N is equal to 2x format. That means f of x1 is equal to f of x2. 2x1 is equal to x2 means what? x1 equal to x2. Hence, f is 1 function. Clear? 1 function means what here? So either A or C. Till now you're getting. Just a minute. F of x1 is what here? N is odd means what the format is given? Okay, wait. Just a minute, madam. X1 means what here? N is odd. Odd means what here? N minus 1 by, that means what here? 2x1 plus 1 minus 1 by 2 is equal to 2x2 plus 1 minus 1 by 2. See carefully. What the condition is given? N is odd means what the function? N minus 1 by 2. So in the place of n, you should take 2x plus 1. Now simplify. Yeah. Now see. Dear students, now what is the result is coming? 2 to cancel. So directly here also x1 is good, x2 is coming. Suppose n is even. That means n is good, you should take 2m like that. N is even means what here? F of n1 is equal to f of n2. Okay, fine. N2 means what here? Minus n1 by 2 is equal to minus n2 by 2. That means 2m1 by 2 is equal to minus 2m2 by 2. Cancel now. What the result is coming? M1 is equal to M2 is coming. Format. So this one, therefore F is 1, 1. Okay. On to means what here? Take minus n by 2 is equal to y. So n is how much? Minus 2y. This one is also satisfied. Why? If y is a negative integer, negative number, then what is the value of n? N is even coming. Set up for natural numbers. Check it. Case 1. Case 2. Suppose n minus 1 by 2 is equal to y. N minus 1 by 2 is equal to y. Then n is what? 2y plus 1 is coming. 1 is odd number. Clear? 1 is even number. Both are values are existing. And see, Z. For every element in codomain, they are existing at least one premise. Check it. Now I'm having doubt. How it is possible 0 getting 0? 0 is possible. Anyone? Take dear students, n is equal to 1. Odd number. 1 minus 1 by 2. 0 is coming. 0 is there or not? Output. Yes. Take any number. Output is existing. Therefore, what is the case? F is 1, 1 and odd 2. So option is what here? C. F of x1 is equal to f of x2 implies x1 is equal to x2 means 1, 1. Definition I'm writing here C. What is the definition? F of x1 is equal to f of x2 implies then f is 1, 1. This method is called as analytical method. Like that. If you're a graph, you can draw the line parallel to x-axis meets the graph. X at one time means 1, 1. But in this graph is complicated. That's why we are drawing like this one. f of function. But here add one more point. What is the point here? Range is what here? Z, like that can write on. Period. What is the question? Anyone? How to find period of this function? Anyone? Anyone? See carefully. F of x is equal to integral part of x plus. So means what here? This one I can write. How to write? See carefully. We know that right on. Period of fractional part of kx. Anyone? What is the answer? 1 by k. It is there. Fine. Please remember this part. So once raise your hands, all of you, dear students. Okay. Hands down. Now see carefully what I'm doing here. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus and so on n. Sum of the first n natural numbers. What is the formula? N into n plus 1 by 2. So like that here, integral part of x, 2x, 3x, and so on like that. Minus 1 plus 2 plus and so on n into x. Carefully. What I'm doing here, minus x, minus 2x, minus 3x, and so on, minus nx. Take minus as a common factor, x minus integral part of x plus minus 2x minus like that. 3x minus and so on, minus of nx minus, what is the answer? Minus fraction part of x, 2x, 3x minus, what is the period? 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by n. So LCM of 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by n. What is the answer? So answer is how much, dear students? 1 only. Write down. So option is B. Tell me after completing. Next question. Next one, f of x and g of x are periodic functions. Okay. 7 and 11 respectively, then what is the period of f of x? Anyone? How to simplify this one? Some students are maybe confused these type of models. How to find? Write a note, hurry up. Write down. We know that if period of f of x is t, then period of f of ax is anyone t by a. Right at this point, now since f of x and g of x are what? 7 and 11 respectively. Then anyone please tell me the period of f of x by 3, anyone? 7 by 1 by 3, that is 21. Period of g of x by y, that is 11 by 1 by 5 means 55. Therefore, period of f of x into g of x by y, g of x by 5. How much is coming this one? F of x is how much? 7 into this is 55. Now, multiplying this one, okay? Now, period of g of x into f of x by 3. G of x is how much? 11 into f of x by 3 is 21. Therefore, period of f of x is equal to LCM of, here see, difference is the minus is there. That means 7 into 55, comma, 11 into 21. Now take the LCM, how much is coming? So please tell me anyone. What is the answer? Help me anyone. What is the LCM this one is coming? What is the answer? What is the LCM? So 77 into 15. So simplify, that is the answer. Anyone? 77 into 15. Option D. Answer is coming 1155. Next one, see. Shall I proceed? Jayant completed. Ram Lakshmi, anyone? Arif, Jishnu. Okay, good. What is the question number one answer? Question. This is question number one. Question number two. Question number one. What is the answer? Anyone? Please tell me. What the logic is there? Yes, someone told. Question number 1, 997.5. Yeah, option 2 is correct. Good. Shortcut. Yes. So question number 1, option 2 is correct answer. Last time discussion now. What about question number 2? Actually, you're going for procedure means it will take some procedure. Directly, I'm discussing formula. What is the formula C, dear students? I'm writing. This case. Now, what the x is given? Integral part of 1 by x, 1 by 2, 1 by 2 plus 1 by 1000, 1 by 2 plus 2 by 1000, and so on. Just a minute, someone is calling. So 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 1000 and so on. What is the last one? 1 by 2 plus 999 by 1000. What is the answer? Anyone can guess? 999 means how to write? 1000 minus 1. What the answer is coming? 1 by 2 into n means 1000. So answer is how much? 500. So this is 0 actually, adding extra points. That part is not there. But anyhow, integral part of 1 by 2 is how much? 0, adding. Question is given from here onwards. So I get term is what here? Adding 0. So option is C. So I'm giving one more question, C. One more model. Sometimes they're asking like this. 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 plus other case, yeah, 1 by 4 better, 1 by 4 like that, 1 by 4 plus 1 by 100, 2 by 100 and so on. 1 by 4 plus 99 by 100. So what the answer is coming? 1 by 4 into 100. So answer is how much? 25. Yes, right in this model. So once C already discussed where integral part of x is there, once revised properties of the greatest integer function, all of you, properties. This one. What is the time now? Okay. So dear students, remaining questions I will share you. I will share with you. So please try to complete how many questions are possible from your side.